Are you gonna let me make my gel? Yes, no, maybe.
Baby, no.
I don't like that answer.
Mama.
Hey y'all, it's Melanaéin and I'm back with another one. So today I'm going to be making the DIY flaxseed gel. You're going to need the whole flax seeds, one knee-high stocking, a measuring cup, and a pot. Okay, so if you just want to do one use, you are going to use basically 2 cups of water and 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds. But you will see in the end that one use wasn't going to be enough for me. So I actually ended up doing it again, and I just eyeballed it, and it was like the perfect amount. So once you have everything set, you want to put it on a high heat and stir it constantly because you don't want your flax seeds to stick to the bottom of the pot. That'll be a whole mess, a whole nother mess, because this right here is a mess itself. But yeah, stir it constantly because you don't want it to stick to the pot. And once the flax seeds start to boil to the top, or yeah, basically boil to the top, you could take it out then, but I let mine get a little bit thicker and then I remove it and then go from there. Okay, so right here is where you actually can turn your fire off and let it cool a little bit and then drain it. It's thick enough right here, but as you'll see, I let mine go just a little bit longer because I need extra TLC on my hair. So like I said in the beginning, this is for one use, and I did let it cool before I put it in the knee-high and decided to drain it. The second time I did not let it cool because it drained it better. So I kind of was like the whole time I was draining it, but I got a little more out of it as well. And y'all, I apologize. My voice is like completely off because I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick and it's storming in the background, so I don't know if y'all can hear that. But yeah, I apologize. Just disregard. It's gonna get better, I promise. By the way, you don't have to use a stocking or a knee high. You could use a strainer if you like, or something else. But I just thought, this seems like it would work better. I saw a couple people use it, and it seems like it works better. So that's why I used it. You can use a strainer if you like. You don't have to use a stocking. And this is just me doing it again. Like I said, I basically just eyeballed it because I needed more gel. So I just did it again with more water and more flax seeds. And that was it. So I probably won't talk again from here on out since you guys already know what to do. And I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, so I lied. I am going to talk again. I did add oil. You can see the oil that I have sitting on the counter. After I drained it, I did add some oil. So you guys can add oil if you like. You can add scented oil to make it smell better. It kind of doesn't really have a smell. It's just like a bland smell. So it doesn't stink. But if you'd like to add oil, you can do that as well. And I think that was all I had to say. Hopefully so. Hopefully I won't be back in here like, oh yeah, and this. But yeah, okay, so I'll see y'all in the next one.